Hey plant parents and indoor gardeners, I was gifted this grow light for an honest review. Now if you've been searching for the perfect grow lights to boost your indoor garden, you're in the right place. Today I'm reviewing the 4-in-1 full spectrum grow lights designed to support plant growth and flowering while keeping your setup efficient and adjustable. First off, these grow lights offer full spectrum coverage mimicking natural sunlight. This is ideal for all stages of plant growth from seeding to flowering. The adjustable brightness feature allows you to customize the lighting intensity based on your plant's needs. The timer is another standout feature, giving you the option to set automatic on-off cycles. No more worrying about forgetting to turn the lights on or off. It's all handled for you. Lastly, the liftable height makes these lights versatile for various plant sizes. As your plants grow taller, simply adjust the height to ensure even coverage. These grow lights are perfect for anyone who loves indoor gardening but struggles with the natural light availability. They're easy to use, energy efficient, and incredibly versatile. If you're serious about giving your indoor plants the care they deserve, these 4-in-1 full spectrum grow lights are a must-have. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what plant accessories you can't live without. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews. See you next time.